Tesla shares are collapsing again, and it looks like this downtrend is just unstoppable. Even though the indices and all the other stocks across the planet are all flying and performing extremely well, Tesla can't recover. And in this video, I'm going to share my humble opinion on what's going on over here and what's the one thing Tesla has to do in order to convince me, at least, that it is going to really reverse this scenario. Otherwise, any recovery could be just another bull trap and a possible dead cat bounce. So let's see what's going on over here. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. It is a pleasure to see you guys over here. And yes, Tesla is just collapsing now. You may say, Nathan, Tesla is making a bullish reaction today. I know we are dropping more than 5% the moment you are recording this video, but we are making a bullish reaction right above a support level at 164, which was a previous support level on May last year, and it is acting as a support level again this year, right? So this key point seems to be a quite reliable support level for Tesla. We are making a bullish reaction over here. What's more, we are reacting right after closing this little gap over here, all right? So we see many reasons to believe that Tesla could bounce again. Well, you could be right, but there are a few problems with your thesis over here. First, we gotta see the confirmation of a bottom signal on the indices as well, because, well, the broad market is looking quite weak. On the bright side, SPY at least, it is making a bullish reaction above the 21 EMA. I mean, it is not necessarily bullish yet, but we are leaving a nice shadow under the candlestick's body over here. This could be a bottom signal. It is not yet, but it could be. QQQ is a little bit more bearish, but just like Tesla, we see a nice shadow under the candlestick's body. Of course, we gotta close above the 21 EMA on the daily chart again in order to believe that, all right, now QQQ is going to fly and retest the all-time high again, all right? Because as long as we don't do that, well, a bullish scenario will be very difficult to materialize. And in this scenario, tech stocks are going to suffer a little bit more. We still could see a sharper correction to the 434 down here. In this scenario, Tesla could still correct a little bit more. By losing the 164, we could retest the 152 support level, which to me at least, seems to be a much more relevant, important support level for Tesla. Of course, now would be a very good time to react, but the 152 seems to be the last major support level on Tesla, at least on the daily chart, because below this key point, the next support level is at $100. So we are talking about a drop of a, let me see, 33%. That's a lot from the 150s to the 100s. So that would be a quite problematic scenario for Tesla, and this is the next technical support level for it if we lose the 152. Therefore, the 152 is our major support level over here. We are making a bullish reaction. Yes, we are, but we don't see any confirmation of a bottom signal yet. We don't see any confirmation on the indices yet, and even if we do, guys, let me tell you why it is so problematic to build a bullish thesis on Tesla right here, right now. Here, we see that Tesla was making higher highs, higher lows, right? Right now, we lost the previous support level. We are trying to make a new low. We are not making new highs right now. So we are frustrating this bullish thesis. Even if we break the 21 EMA again, that's not gonna guarantee anything, because just like here on February this year, Tesla was also making higher highs, higher lows, and then the moment it started to collapse, we found a support level at 175 over here. And once we reached this key point, we also did a nice bullish reaction over here right above the 175. This reaction was almost triggered over here, but in the end, Tesla failed to bounce. It failed to trigger a bottom signal over here, even considering this bullish reaction right above the 175. And then we lost this key point again just to retest our next support level at 164. So see, the situation is quite similar over here. In fact, we are a little bit more bearish than before because at any moment we could stay for more than 1 day above the 21 EMA on the daily chart. So the situation is still very bearish. And just like we saw this reaction over here on March this year, we are seeing a bullish reaction above a support level, trying to stabilize over here after closing this gap. Okay, good. But in the lack of confirmation of a real bottom signal, Tesla is not going to recover. And here lies another problem. Even if it does recover, we gotta break the 175, we gotta break the 21 EMA on the daily chart, we gotta make a bullish, a crystal clear, very good bullish reaction on the weekly chart over here, right above the support line of this descending channel, in order to convince me that yes, we are now materializing a bottom signal on the daily chart. We are making a bullish reversal chart structure on the daily chart and a possible bottom signal on the weekly chart over here, right above the support level of this descending channel. These are all gonna be very good signals, but so far, Tesla is not materializing any of these signals. So even if we see a bounce over here, we gotta be aware of the 175 and the 21 EMA on the daily chart, because as far as I know, Tesla could just bounce again and do this, right? A dead cat bounce and seek our next support levels, preferably the 152. All right, so we gotta be extremely careful because the trend, guys, the trend is bearish. Some people get upset when I say this simple fact: the trend is bearish. It could be bullish. Yes, it could turn bullish. I would be very happy if this scenario materializes because, in my humble opinion, Tesla could give us a very nice opportunity to buy close to a support level at a good risk-reward ratio. But as long as we don't see any bottom signal getting materialized over here, it is not gonna recover. All right. Now, although Tesla is quite bearish over here, personally speaking, I see many incredible opportunities out there. There are many stocks with a good, very good risk-reward ratio, making very good bullish reactions, and many of them are already exploding over here. So join the 5% project, because over there we are the living proof that with a decent strategy and with a good risk management, you can outperform the market. Unlike 95% of traders, you can participate in the 5% project by clicking on the link in the fixed comment below, and of course in the QR code right here on the left corner of your screen. Meanwhile, I'm gonna keep you guys updated about this, and tomorrow, in my humble opinion, tomorrow is gonna be decisive because many stocks, not only Tesla, many stocks like Microsoft here trading right above the 21 EMA, right above a support level. Apple reaching its support level again. Nvidia just reached its 21 EMA again. Amazon, it is making a bullish reaction, trying to stay above the 180s support level. We see Google breaking our previous target at 152. The members of our Telegram channel got access to this amazing trade. We bought down here. We bought the very deep, and we did capture this entire movement over here. It is just exploding. Meta trying to react above a support level. Tesla is again trying to react above a support level. So we see many decisive movements over here, not only on Tesla, but mostly on nearly all of the other Magnificent 7 stocks. So if the market is gonna turn bullish, well, now would be the perfect moment. And if the market turns bullish, I do believe that Tesla could bounce again, possibly reverse the bearish sentiment. Of course, we gotta break a few resistance levels first. Again, I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this every single day, so consider subscribing to this channel. I'm not necessarily asking, I'm just saying that I'm here every single day talking about Tesla, Spike, QQQ, many other stocks, alright? Click the like button as well in order to support me. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye-bye.